Hola amigos! Today we're going to be talking about question words as part of Día Seis in our review. So let's take a peek. Today you were given 5 questions and it says answer these questions with a complete sentence. So this section actually is just practicing whether or not you can understand the question that's being asked and if you can form a complete sentence. On our midterm, it will look more in the form of multiple choice or also identifying question words. So let's take a peek. Our first one we have, ¿A qué hora tienes la clase de español hoy? So, ¿a qué hora, as we know, is asking for time. So, it's saying, at what time do you have Spanish class today? So, you need to have a las or a la in the answer. So here, this is just one of many possible answers, but here we have a sentence outline for it. Tengo la clase de español a las. So for today, if I did la U, I could answer Tengo la clase de español a las 8:50 de la mañana, or I could say Tengo la clase de español a las 9:10 de la mañana. Either way would be acceptable. The big key to remember here is to have a verb in your answer, so saying I have Spanish class and to say a las. Again, these will help you out in identifying matching questions and answers, but also in the section where you need to write about yourself. This will help you out. Número 2. ¿Cuántas personas hay en tu familia? So asking, again, how many people are in your family? A question that we are familiar with. So you could answer it a couple different ways. You could say, tengo 6 personas en mi familia, o hay 6 personas en mi familia. The difference being tango is I have, and I is there is or there are. I is that word that I keep mentioning that is super versatile and useful when writing. Número 3. ¿Cuál es tu comida favorita? So again, as 7th grade Spanish speakers, we can answer this in multiple ways, but 2 of the probably most popular ways to answer it would be mi comida favorita es or me gusta comer. So if I want to put in lobster, la langosta, I could say mi comida favorita es la langosta or me gusta comer la langosta. A question came up today, if you could change the order of that, and you absolutely can. You could say la langosta es mi comida favorita. That also works. Número 4, we have ¿Quién es tu maestro o maestra de matemáticas? So substitute matemáticas for any class we have, and it's just asking you to identify the question ¿quién?, meaning who. When you see ¿quién?, think of the poster in the room of the owl saying ¿quién? ¿Quién? So here we have ¿Quién es tu maestro o maestra de matemáticas? Mi maestro o maestro de matemáticas es Señor Del Greco or Señora Casey, whoever it may be. ¿Por qué aprendemos el español? ¿Por qué, as we know, is asking why. So we need to have an answer that provides the answer to a why, not just we learned Spanish, period. It has to be why do you learn Spanish? So a couple ideas for sentence starters could be aprendemos el español para hablar con otras personas, or you could say aprendemos el español porque en nuestro mundo hay mucha gente que habla español. Either way, as long as you give an answer. Para is for or in order to. Porque is because. Alrighty, so that's it for Día 6. In a little while, we will see Día 7.